Hello, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to cut and sew this trending crop top with short sleeve. So relax and watch to the end. Also subscribe to get notified anytime I post new videos. Please like, comment and share this video. Now to start cutting, I first fold my fabric into two. Then I'll mark my shoulder measurement, which is 14 divided by 2 to get 7. Remove 1 inch from the top to mark the armhole. So my armhole length is 8.5. Now I'll place my tape on the fabric like this to roll out the bust line. After rolling the bust line, I will roll out the half length line. Then roll out the blouse length line. I will come to this point and mark the neck width, which is 3.5. I'm removing this 1 inch from the top to cut out the English edge. Now I'll place my tape from this 1 inch line and mark out my neck depth, which is 3.5. Then cover the round neck like this. Now I'll come to this armhole, place and fold my tape into two, then mark out the middle point just like this. After that, I'll come to the bust line and mark out the bust measurement. So my bust measurement is 34 divided by 4 to get 8.5. Add extra 1.5 inch to it. Then I'll add another extra 2 inches for sewing allowance. Come back to the midpoint of the armhole and carefully make a curve like this. Now I'm going to take the bust size measurement and mark it on the half length line. And on the blouse length line. Now after marking, I will rule out the shape. There is no need for shaping when making this crop top. Now I'm going to cut to shape. Please let's not forget to remove half inch from the shoulder. To cut the back, I'll place another fabric folded in two on my table like this. Then place the front piece on the fabric. Now there's no need for zip allowance when making this crop top. Now I'm going to pin them together so it doesn't shift out of position. Now I'm going to mark 1.5 inches for the back neck depth. Then trace cut to shape like this. After cutting, I'll remove the pins, then mark the back piece. Now at the neck of the back piece, I will come down by 4 inches. Then slit open it like this. So when you open up the back piece, this is how it looks. This is the front piece. Now to cut the hands, this is my fabric. The length here is 9, so after sewing it's going to be 8. Now to get the round hand, I will divide the round hand measurement by 2, then add extra 1 inch to it. Now I'll come to the body of the top, place my tape from the shoulder, then measure the round hand. So my round hand now is 10 plus 2 inches extra. Now I'll come back to the hand and place my tape from this top point like this, then mark 10 plus 2 inches. Also mark 2 inches at the down. Then cover the shape like this. Now there's no need to make a curve like the regular hand pattern. Now I'll just remove ½ inch from here, then cut out the shape. Now this is the lining for the dress. To start sewing, I'll first sew the down. After sewing the down, I'll make sure ½ inch of the Ankara fabric is showing at the down by pinning it like this. After pinning, I'm going to turn it to the front, then trim out this extra lining. After which I will sew the neck, shoulder and the 2 sides. So I'm going to do the same for the front. Now this is the front piece after sewing. This is the back of it. Now this is the back piece. I'm going to sew a bra hook here. This is the back of it. Now I'm going to place them together and sew the shoulder. After sewing the shoulder, I will open it up, place and sew the 2 hands. Now after sewing the 2 hands, I'm going to sew the 2 sides. And that is how to cut and sew this trending crop top with short sleeve. So if you watched to this point, please subscribe to my channel, please share this video, feel free to comment, also like this video. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.